In this video guide, we're going to see quickly Ngon add-on, how we can install it in Rhino and use it in Grasshopper for Rhino. And just going to do a quick overview of this. But essentially, this is an add-on that lets you create structures. So meaning that you can like divide your surface into a grid and then use it for framing or also like paneling, things like that. So as we usually do, we go in Food for Rhino, you search for that add-on in Food for Rhino, and then you download it. And there are two files here. One is the actual add-on, the other one are just examples, but they're pretty useful, and that's what we're gonna see in this guide. So you need to have an account, you need to log in, you need to click, then install and open Rhino to install it directly. So it's pretty easy, and that's the add-on right there. So you click on install and just do it really quickly, and that's it. So all the information are right there. So if you want to also support the author, etc., you can do it. And just gonna go here, and we're gonna open Grasshopper actually. So we go to the standard toolbar and click to open Grasshopper, the little icon right there. And in the meanwhile, I will download also the examples, which are in a zip folder. So you need to right click, extract the content of the folder, or just copy the folder outside of the zip folder, and there you go. We have a bunch of let's say tutorials or samples that we can use to learn how to use this specific add-on, which is really interesting. So I'm going to go here to File in Grasshopper and open a new document, and I'm going to navigate in the Grasshopper course folder where I save this into the Ngon examples folder, and just going to start with the first one. So again, you have information about the author at the top, and then you have all these nodes that you can activate by clicking on the final node on the right. This will show a series of previews of the object. Otherwise, you can activate or deactivate the only selected object preview, so you can see all the objects in this scene. And these are pretty self-explanatory examples. So it basically turns a surface into a sort of grid. So also here you have different files, and you can see how you can use the different parameters, like for example the number of segments in the grid, and then you have here like other parameters and other surface brep that have turned into a structure. And again, you can activate everything to see everything that is in this file. And let me zoom in this X. These are hexagons, so you can control the U and the V repetition or resizing of those. And also you have a slider to move them and parameter. You can see you can change the shape, make really interesting shapes. You can define how the boundary works, and so on. So for each node of this is called the X divide node, but you have so many others in here, and so many other examples. So if you're interested, just go there and explore. This is another one which also show us like a structure and kind of a solid, and also we can see where all the different steps in here until we get to the final result. So we can study everything just as we did also in the first lessons of Grasshopper course. And that's another tool at our disposal that it looks really complex and with a lot of nodes and tools that you can work with. And you can see here it's starting again with the X divide. And here you find the site, the mail, and the other information if you want to support the author. And we're just going to do a video guide here just to introduce the tool. And you'll find also the Ngon panel at the top right here. You can see how many extra tools and features, commands and nodes you can use. So it's really a giant add-on, really interesting and useful. And this will conclude our video guide. So thanks for watching. If you want to support us, join the channel. And if you want to, you can check the video course. in Grasshopper and in Rhino and in other 3D software. And that's it. So this will be all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video guide.